Hey guys, don't easily go to a repair store when your iPad is upset. If you are experiencing any issues or problems with your iPad, a hard reset is the first thing to try. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to do a hard reset on all the iPad models without a computer, either with or without a home button. Let's get started. According to Apple, hard reset is similar to a force restart. It can solve your iPad problems such as crashes, freezes, ghost touch, or other system problems. Refresh your iPad to its default state, and it is completely safe, plus your data will not be deleted even after multiple tries. Here is how to do this. Part 1. Hard reset your iPads without computer. As the old iPad would be more likely to have issues, I will first show you how to do this on an iPad with a home button. Just press and hold the power button and the home button at the same time. Until the Apple logo appears, will be okay. Then your iPad will reboot and get a system refreshed. To hard reset an iPad, such as iPad Pro, which does not have a home button, you can quickly press and release the volume up button, and then the volume down button. Then, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Let's try. It will take a while, and if this is not successful, it's safe to try it again. And you can release the side button when you see the logo. Isn't it so simple? This is how I fix the lag and slowness of my iPad. If this didn't refresh your iPad, or you can't do this due to a broken screen or unresponded buttons, you can download Reiboot from the link below to do a more restorative hard reset on your computer. Download and launch Reiboot. Click Trust on your iPad and click Enter Recovery Mode here. It's free to enter, so give it a try. When it's done, exit it with the option next to it, or long press the power button. Then your iPad will be refreshed now. After the hard reset, if your iPad still has some error, you can try to fix it with the system repair feature. Just follow the on-screen instruction to repair your iPad, will be all right. Then Reiboot will automatically detect your system error to fix it. Reiboot can smoothly and safely repair over 150 system issues of your Apple device. And it's quick and easy. Give it a try if you need it. Okay, hope these will help your problem. If these helped, like and subscribe to get more useful info like this. See you in the next video and have a great day.